So, cancer. I can see that you're all thrilled that that's going to be the topic of your Monday evening. But really, I want us to look ahead at what hope there is in using the immune system to have a whole new way of fighting cancer. Now, you may or may not know, but 40% of Americans are expected to develop cancer at some point in their lifetime. But thanks to improvements in therapy, over half of those people are expected to survive for 10 years or more. Now, this is mainly due to improvements in surgery and in radiation therapy. That's either cutting out the tumor or firing radiation at it and hoping that it dies. And this is awesome if the tumor is in one place, but the problem begins when it spreads. In that case, currently we need to rely on something more broad, and that's drugs and chemotherapy. But the problem with these is they're not particularly specific, they cause lots of side effects, and cancers often mutate and escape. And I want to convince you that the immune system is the answer to this, because it combines the specificity of surgery with the broad nature of chemotherapy. Now, why would I think this, apart from the fact that I'm an immunologist and desperate for funding? If we go back to the 1800s, cancer was not your problem. Most people were dying of infectious disease. But people who did develop cancer, it was seen that if they got a nasty infection, sometimes that cancer disappeared. And this led to one pioneering doctor called Professor Bush, who would literally burn the surface of superficial tumors, take bandages from gross infected wounds on someone else, and apply them, and just hope that they got a bacterial infection. Turns out they do. But more importantly, it also showed that these tumors started to melt away. And this is awesome until you remember that this is pre-penicillin. So lots of these people would then succumb to bacterial disease, which, not a great option. So when radiation therapy came along, it was natural that we kind of forgot about this and put it behind us as a barbaric remnant of our medical history. But nowadays, we understand the immune system so much more. What we found is that the immune system recognizes cancer, but doesn't see it as an infection. So the challenge has become for immunologists to try and trick the immune system into recognizing the tumor as if it was flu or a bacteria. And then it can mobilize all of its forces, like it does for an infection, which can attack anywhere in the body. It can be incredibly specific. And if the tumor changes, just like a virus can, the immune system can follow it. The immune system isn't going to be fooled like a drug, which is static, by a tumor cell sticking on a fake mustache. So looking forward, I want you all to think about cancer and cancer therapy. What I want you to remember is that the cure is inside every single one of you. Thank you.